Welcome! In front of me I have X-WATCH Joli XW Pro and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch. To force restart this watch, simply press and hold the side button and keep holding it until the watch turns off. So let's press and hold it, keep holding it, and after a couple of seconds you will see the logo pop up on the screen and the watch will turn off. And after the watch turns off, wait for a couple of seconds and then you can turn it back on by pressing and holding the side button again. Like this. And as you can see, we're back in the system, and that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.